PKK, I think, is provocating. PKK is denying the right of the Kurdish people, and it is harming our cause. Look, PKK is sometimes inviting Turkish journalists and show them that we have here inside Iraqi Kurdistan our basis to tell Turkish government we are here in Iraqi Kurdistan to persuade Turkish government to attack Iraqi Kurdistan and then to disturb the relation between Iraqi Kurdistan and Turkey. You know, we are now receiving all kinds of support and assistance through Turkey, and then Iraqi Kurdish people will be prevented from this kind of assistance, and then this will be a very good support to Saddam Hussein. By the way, we discovered and we have documents proving that PKK is dealing with Saddam Hussein since 3 years, and they were supporting them, and they were coordinating with Saddam Hussein's dictatorship against the people of Iraqi Kurdistan.